Dear viewers, welcome to another tutorial by Seekhty. In this video, I will show you how to fix Internet Download Manager's problem in which IDM keeps on showing already downloaded files instead of downloading new file. You can see I have downloaded a zip file on my laptop, but when I try to download new files, IDM immediately shows download complete dialog box for already downloaded files instead of downloading new files. If I delete already downloaded files, it repeats the same error by downloading old files instead of new. In order to fix it, you have to open IDM. Now from the list of downloaded files, select the last downloaded file and delete it from the list. Remember to check this box only if you don't need already downloaded files from your computer. It is not necessary to delete already downloaded files from your computer. You just need to delete the file from the list of completed downloads. Now download the new file and it will work perfectly. Please like the video and subscribe my channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching the video.